Just a little follow on. I did mention I've just made a video response to Craig's competition at Leaf Life Bushcraft. I'm just going to have a quick show you. This is what we've got here. Although here in Concert, in the northeast of England, it isn't as bad as what most of you guys in the country is getting. It is pretty bleak though, and it's bloody freezing. And I'll give it another 20 seconds before my fingers actually freeze. But where I'm heading, look at that. There's nothing there. It's in the valley of the River Derwent. There's just nothing in there. That's why I'm heading. I bet it's still cold down there though. Excellent. Morning, yet again. I thought I'd get it down here. I've just made a video response to Craig, Leaf Life Bushcraft. And I did mention that I would get down here sooner or later. Now, I've been out once before and got a kind of yield of it, but I'm actually doing a bit of birch tapping. Bizarrely, as we all know, it is the 25th of March today. I know there's a general rule of thumb that says it's the first 3 weeks in March, but I'm a firm believer that the further north we are, the later in March it is. And in fact, I'll dare like to say, because of the temperatures we've had here, I mean the last couple of weeks we've been like -6, -7. And it's been bloody bitter, and I'm just thinking, I'd dare like to say it's starting to get a little bit milder after this week. I would like to say that I bet you will be able to go up here in the northeast of England. We may be able to get birch tapping done into April, first week in April. I'm going to say maybe after. But like you say, it's the 25th now. And I've got 2 on the go here. I'm going to do another one, so I've got to do a video for the scouts now. So I'll put my third on, I'll sit and have a brew and I'll have a little chat with you. But up to now, we're doing well with what's coming out. I've got one down here where the actual tubes come out. It just didn't seem like it was getting anywhere, but it's doing alright. I'll give you a quick look. I could get the seed dripping in there. But it is coming out clean, as you'll have noticed as well. I know some people don't like to see that. But that's how it's been done. But it's always well sealed at the end of the day. There is the job. Another one with a tube there. And it's only been in like 3 minutes. Well, I'm going to do another right. That one there. And that's my scout bait done. Right, join us again in a tick.